Hello YouTube. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to script this Philips CDI. It was very notorious for producing some of the worst quality games possible, and they did a lot of non-licensed Nintendo games that have all been very infamous just for the general horribleness of the quality of the game itself. So anyway, let's begin. So this is basically just a CD player with some integrated software made to make video games possible. And so yeah, first thing we want to do is we want to pop off all of the very small sized star bits or Torx bits that are scattered throughout the entire system, on the front, on the back, and on the sides. Alright, once that's done, I've just removed the top cover. Once that's done, and note this was a non-working unit, pull up on the cover here, and there's instantly a ton of things that I am greeted with. So what appears to be the left side, that looks like the power supply. That should have a low-grade board. Here this appears to be the for the digital video cartridge, which I have, but I've decided not to take apart because this thing is just a piece of crappy nostalgia. And on the other side here, we got ourselves a board sticking up. Probably these are for your graphics and various processing units. And on the bottom there's a driver board for the CD module. And of course that's the CD module itself. And over here in a mass of spider webs, fortunately I'm doing this outside so I don't need to worry about anything. There's nothing, just a whole bunch of wire. And then up here there's the front bezel and panel, which should have another low-grade board in it. So before I enter the forest of webs, I'm going to go ahead and take things apart first, because that's the obvious thing to do. So, I don't know where to start. I'll work on the front panel. So I'm going to flip this around and get to the front panel. So it appears to be some screws. I'm just going to go ahead and remove those. Whenever I open this up, and I'm now smelling it more than ever, I definitely smell burnt circuit board. It has a very nasty smell to it. Like a sour, acrid smell, which I absolutely hate. It might just be old aging electronic smell. I don't know, but I hate it already. That's the third one. Flip it upside down. There appears to be nothing holding it in place, so it should pop off. Unless I need to remove 3 more screws underneath, which I will do right now. Alright, so I've removed all the screws on the bottom, and this front panel comes right off. So here appears to be just some inputs, nothing special, low-grade board, and on this piece it looks a bit better. I'm going to go ahead and remove all the screws that hold these pieces in place, and we'll go from there. Alright, I've removed one of the boards, the smaller one. As you can tell, we have a little potentiometer, a little input jack, and another input connector. Alright, I have removed all those screws and the front board comes off. So it appears to be a vacuum fluorescent display. You can kind of see what everything is here. You can see there's an interactive graphics little indicator, and also a compact disc. So this can not only play compact discs, but also have interactive graphics, which introduces horrible games like Hotel Mario, you know, and all these other various games that have all gotten a reputable reputation on YouTube, used in YouTube poops. Which, if you don't know what they are, they're just YouTube poops. There's no explanation for it. But anyway, so yeah, there's a really interesting kind of copper coating on this board here. Got a whole bunch of buttons which have silver in it. And this vacuum fluorescent display here has on the back of it some tungsten wires, which have tungsten in it, and tungsten's a very, very durable metal. But anyway, if we look on the back, there should be some chips that are hidden underneath this plastic, and that's about it. Leave that to the side. We're going to get to the main unit in part 2. Just kidding. Let's get going. So now I'm just going to remove this bottom panel for added convenience. Alright. Yeah, so basically I'm just going to remove all these screws on the bottom. Alright. I've removed the back cover, and this piece is shred. So now you can kind of see what it looks like on the back. We've got ourselves chip, these 3 chips here. All those chips have gold bonding wires in them. And on the other piece, which is harder to see, sorry about that, there's a whole bunch of little black chips all over this board here, which also have gold. Alright. So now my next goal here is to go right here and undo the screws that are scattered throughout. Alright. Now, this board should slide right out. I think I can. Anyway, I'll get to that later. What's more important, I was able to remove one piece of gold. This is actually a very, very nice piece here. There's this connector right here, and there's this connector right here, which has some nice gold plating. So as you can tell, those are some nice pins. This has some gold as well, and these 3 chips have gold as well. So this thing is actually so far pretty chock full of gold. And when I say gold, I mean gold plating, obviously. Let's see, we try to knock these in. Yeah, there we go. I'm trying to get this low grade board out, but it's not wanting to. Yeah, there's one end. This piece here can be sold as steel. Oh, whoa, that was close. Almost lost my camera there. Anyway, zoom out here. So far, I pretty much removed this gold, this wiring. My goodness, okay. Anyway, so this piece here is a low-grade board. We can get that to focus. Nope, it's not gonna let me. Is it gonna work this time? Yes, it will. Alright, so this is a low-grade board. There's nothing gold plating on there at all, so I'm just gonna put that to the side. And next, I'm gonna remove this piece of plastic here, which should give us a little bit more access to the contents below. There we go. Silver sheet. And this is a nice board here. So, take a closer look here. Sorry for the shakiness here. And my battery's about to die. But anyway, quickly, here is the wiring here. So there's a whole bunch of chips on this board and a couple monolithic ceramics. Same on the back. And yeah, my camera's about to die. So thanks for watching. Hope you found this video interesting and useful. And in the next part, I will complete the teardown. Thanks for watching.